been sucking any ass?
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
What's going on, guys? So, I'm sorry if you can't really hear me because my car is super loud. So the next 3 days are going to be kind of busy. I'm going to try and mix in the next 3 days that are coming up with some gaming videos, just to, like, space it out. Because it's cold out and it's really hard to get content right now because nobody wants to do anything. It's freezing. But today, we're going to go do a photo shoot, something like that. I don't really know what's going on. And then it's Gabe's birthday, so we're going to go out to eat. And then tomorrow, I got the Crispy H2O movie pre-screening, so that should be cool. Meet up with a few people. And then the day after that, I have an ASAP Ferg music video that my car is going to be in. So that should be cool. Real quick, I just want to thank everybody. If you follow my Instagram, you know what's been going on over the past few weeks. I lost my stepmom, which kind of sucks because, well, one, it's my family. Two, she was only 40 years old, which really sucks. Hold on. She was also the biggest supporter of this YouTube channel, which sucks also. So I just want to thank everybody in the car community, just people in general. I've gotten almost 200 people have hit me up sending condolences and stuff, and I just want to thank everybody. I've read every single thing, and a lot of it has helped, and it's surprising to me how many of you have actually lost a mom or a dad or something. A lot of you have been telling me, and it sucks, but it definitely puts a whole different perspective on life. I've been a little down lately, but my perspective on life has been a little different, and it just sucks. But if you guys want, I could probably talk about it more later on, and like maybe, because I'm going to start doing podcasts soon with like a bunch of my friends, so maybe one day I could just talk about that. But I just want to thank everybody. I really do appreciate everybody that's come out and messaged me. But I guess we'll see how today goes. Hopefully nothing dumb happens, and over the next 2 days I really hope everything goes pretty smooth. But thank you guys for always tuning in and everything like that. And I just hope that I can make my stepmom proud. So I guess we'll see. I need to get gas. I have no gas this time. It takes so long to edit everything.
Yeah. Plus, like, it's cold as fuck, so I don't want to do anything to my car right now.
Exactly. That's another, like, content right now is, like, hard. It's quick.
Oh, it sounds so good. So good.
Here we go. I'm gonna follow the line of dumbasses.
Oh, that welded dick, though.
Oh, yeah. Those good old noises.
By far the most wild 240 I've ever been in. Jesus Christ.
So, like, I don't know, like, everybody hates V8s, but like, it's just like...
So like, there was a time where I was like, oh, don't throw a V8 in a 240, and then I saw your build and I heard it, and I was like, there's nothing that compares to it. Like,
it's just fun. Plus, like, the sound is amazing.
Yeah, like, you'd never expect it from this.
That's why, like, I mean, like, I understand, like, the whole Japanese aspect of everything, but it's like...
Who cares? It's a car.
Yeah. I mean, if it runs, it runs.
Exactly, this thing fucking rips. Your gauges are just so perfect.
So many people hit me up about it, and I'm like, I think it's just for GM cars, and it's all 240 kids hitting me up. I'm like, I don't know.
Well, yo, because I would love to slap that on an SR, but like...
Yeah, I just don't know if it's, like, compatible. That's the problem.
I'm gonna hate myself for throwing an SR in my car, aren't I?
It's not, as long as it's healthy. Like, mine wasn't. That was the main... It broke all the time. But if you look, have you ever seen what my engine bay used to look like?
No.
I'll show you later. Like,
it was bad?
It was fucking horrible. So, like, that was like a main problem, was so much shit in there. It was just, I couldn't even tell you if it worked or not.
Yeah, well, the people usually do the swap, they usually half-ass it. That's the problem.
Yeah, exactly.
And then with the intercooler piping, it's just a whole mess.
Yeah, and then when they pulled out everything, they showed me like one of the pipes. Like, this is why your fucking idle was all over the place.
Your pipe just had a hole in it?
smoking, turbo would go, head
no.
gasket blew. I was in Queens and my head gasket blew up on me. The whole head exploded.
Oh no, that's not fun. That's not fun at all.
Did you see the purple shit stain come up? There it is. There it is.
The man, the myth, the legend.
The heat. That RSX is mint though. It makes me very upset that mine's a piece of crap.
Nah, that thing's beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's like track ready.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Must be nice.
255.
They're going. They're gonna go talk to security. Why would you send the black kid? That's not right.
That's
racist! Demonetized.
Boy, if you don't get.
What'd he say?
He's cool. He was like, he was like, if you're black, you gotta leave. That purple car's a little gay. He was like, yeah. He's like, I didn't expect you guys to really do anything stupid. And I was like, we're not gonna like dick around. He's like, I'm like, so then he said like the tween's gay. He's like, oh, club gang all the way.
Shit.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Have you been sucking any ass?
Yeah, I'm pregnant. Hey, let me turn on the heat so it rattles more.
I'm doing it, Dad. Are you proud? Ow, it hurts.
It's a good window you got there. That's horrible. The mom van.
It's because his car's broken.
Dad. Dad.
It's everybody's dad. He's here.
Dad.
The Honda? That could be you.
Dad. How'd your job interview go, Dad?
Pretty good. I didn't get it.
Oh, shit.
It was so easy. I just walked in, said hi to two people, and then fucking.
I told you. It's because you're friends with me. That's why. It's all about who you know.
Literally went in there. I was like, "Hey, how you doing, Rob?" I was like, "Hey." I was like, "Yo, come follow me. Let's go take a seat." Asked me like 6 questions,
That's it. It's because you know me. That's
and then
it.
he was like, "All right, I'll be right back. Let me go get the GM." And when I saw him, obviously I got up, shook his hand, sat down, talked about myself a little bit, and then he fucking loved me. He told me, "When the fuck can I start?" I was like, "Start Monday, bro."
You're a fucking idiot. This needs to stop. Now.
Race the Type R.
What?
Race the Type R.
On what foot? I can run faster than my car moves.
Like, I'm trying to drive.
It hurts me. It hurts.
Wait. Guys, I'm driving right now. If I wasn't driving, I'd probably hit him.
Make the wrong decisions. No contract, something you can't say. Hold down.
No, I forgot the word. Damn it.
Say it, hold that, hold on, let's go now. Put your head down, shut your eyes and talk. Post it up. Post it up, real legendary graveyard bar still open in the Sagittarius. Bang!